My name is Alex Kunta. I'm manager in charge of sales, Rana Motors. Rana Motors is the sole authorized dealer for Kia vehicles in Ghana. Presently, we've started assembling Kia vehicles in Ghana. Among the varieties, we have 6 of them which we started assembling. Very soon, we're going to increase the number to 9, 10, and so on. By me is the K5, which is one of the foremost assembled vehicles in Ghana. This comes in a 2.0 liter engine and equipped with all the exciting features we can talk about. If you don't mind, join me inside. Let's have a look and I'll tell you what it's called. Okay, so this is a 2.0 liter vehicle. We call it the K5. It's supposed to be an executive vehicle. It comes with a 2.0 liter engine. You see, very spacious in here. You have leather seats, electronically adjusted. You have automatic Tiptronic for your drive comfortability. You have your electronic parking brake. You have your 8-inch display, Bluetooth. You have your wireless phone charger, push start, and all that. You can just name it. Ambient lights. The seats are also electronically heated. You have a panoramic sunroof as well. And you can see the space at the back. Very spacious. I entreat you to pass by the showroom and have a look or have a test drive of one of these vehicles.